Good morning. Today we will see about the tree traversal in data structure. Trees are essential data structure used in many applications from database to file systems. Here, tree traversal is a process of visiting each node in a tree in a specific order. There are different ways to traverse a tree, and traversal order depends on the application. See. The main three types is in-order traversal, pre-order traversal and post-order traversal. In in-order traversal, what we are doing is visit the left subtree first and then root and then right subtree. We are going to visit the left subtree, root and then right subtree. Okay. In binary search tree, this traversal technique is in sorted order. For example, if a tree with values 2, 3, 4, the order would be 2, 3, 4. Okay, it will follow the same order because in binary tree we can see that 2, 1 and 3. This is how the binary tree looks like. If we traverse this in order traversal, we can see that first we have to visit the left node and then root and then right. Obviously the order will be 1, 2 and 3. Okay, this is the thing we have to follow. And next one is pre-order. Pre-order traversal is nothing but start at the root node, visit it and then traverse the left subtree and finally the right subtree. For example, for a tree with root A and child B and C. Root A and child B and C. Obviously, the order will be like first we have to visit A and then we have to visit B and then we have to visit C. This is the order if we perform pre-order traversal. Okay. Next one is post-order traversal. Traverse the left subtree and then the right subtree and finally we should traverse the root. Okay. For the same example we considered here, right? We will take that. Here we have to traverse the left subtree first. That is nothing but B and then right subtree C and then the root node. This will be the order, post order traversal for this tree. Okay. This post order traversal is useful for operations like deleting node from a tree, as it ensures that the children are processed before the parents. Okay. And also we have two traversal technique in tree traversal. One is recursive versus iteration. I'll give a small glimpse about that. Simple and most tree traversal. Recursal traversal is most simple, and each traversal type, pre-order, in-order and post-order, can be implemented with this recursion. However, it may lead to stack overflow with deep tree. And iterative traversal, it avoids recursion by using an explicit stack, that is depth first search or queue. It uses breadth first search, particularly used for large trees to prevent deep recursion issues. Okay. Now we'll see about the applications. When we see about the in-order traversal, it is used in binary search tree as it retrieves element in sorted order. And in pre-order traversal, used for copying a tree or evaluating expression trees. And in post-order, it is important for deleting nodes or evaluating the result of an expression tree in a bottom-up fashion. Okay, we have some examples here. We will see how to implement the orders for this given examples. Okay, see, we have an example here. First we will write in order, which is first we have to visit left subtree, and then root, and then right subtree. Okay, next thing is pre-order. Here we have to visit root first, and then left subtree, and then right subtree. Next is post order. Post order is nothing but first is next left subtree, second is right subtree, at last you have to visit the root node. Okay. We have one more example here. We will see how to solve this. First one is in order. Okay. In order we have to follow. First one is left subtree. D is the root node. We have to traverse through the left subtree. Left subtree we can see C is there. It has a subtree and a child node as A. A doesn't have any left subtree. So we have to visit the A first. A, and then we have to visit the B, and then we have to A and B is visited, so we are moving to the parent node which is C, and then we have to visit the root node which is D. After visiting D, we should move to the right subtree which is nothing but I. We have to see whether I has any left subtree. Yes, it has a left subtree. We have to see whether G has any left subtree. Yes, G has left subtree, that is E. And we have to visit the root node. We have to visit the right subtree. After that, we have to move to I. We have to visit the right subtree. We have to see whether right subtree has any child node. Yes, it has a left child there. So we have to visit that, and after that we have to visit K. This is the in order traversal technique. And next is pre-order. Pre-order, we are to visit the root node first, which is nothing but D and C and A, B, then I, then G, then E, then H, then K and J. Next one is post order. Post order, the order will be like, first we have to visit the right subtree. The leftmost right subtree will be this. So we will be writing B, next is A, next C, E, H, first we have to visit B, A, C, E and H and G and J. Next is K, J, K, I, D. Okay, I hope you will be clear with the traversal techniques and how to traverse in order, post order and pre-order. Thank you.